Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start now. Suspend Bitlocker from Windows to avoid encryption lockouts and save the recovery key. Once done, shut the PC down fully, then power on and press ESC or F10 repeatedly to open the HP startup menu. You need to enter Setup, which HP calls BIOS or UEFI firmware. This is where you'll change device security. Make sure to note any current settings so you can restore them if needed. Once inside BIOS, use the arrow keys to reach System Configuration or Security, because that's where TPM lives. You'll see Trusted Platform Module settings labeled TPM, PTT, or TPM device. Check whether it's enabled and activated. This matters because Bitlocker ties keys to TPM. If you plan to disable TPM, first suspend Bitlocker, then choose Clear or Disable TPM in BIOS. This stops TPM from releasing keys on boot, which is why you suspend Bitlocker first to prevent a recovery prompt. After changing TPM or secure boot settings, save and exit BIOS, then let Windows boot normally. Make sure to resume Bitlocker only after verifying the system boots cleanly. Otherwise, you may need the recovery key you saved. If Bitlocker prompts for the recovery key, enter it. Do not perform destructive resets. If booting fails, go back into BIOS, re-enable TPM, or restore the prior setting.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.